Today, we'll guide you through the process of repairing your OSK Flexhead Ratchet, which also applies to your OSK Flexhead Wrenches. To begin the repair process, use the appropriate tool to remove the pin from the ratchet. Once the pin is removed, carefully separate the body and the head of the ratchet. Inside the repair kit, you'll find a new pin and a new spring. Insert the spring into the hole that fits it snugly. Then, reattach the head and the body of the ratchet together, ensuring that the holes align properly. Once aligned, carefully screw the pin back into place, making sure it's tightened securely. With the repair completed, your flex head will no longer be floppy, providing you with a tight and reliable tool for your needs. You can now purchase the repair kit directly from our website.